Good morning. Today is Thursday the 8th of Jan. It's currently 9 a.m. I'm currently making my way to the gym. Yeah, my first client's at 12 o'clock and my last client is at 6:30. So I should be done by 7:30. Not too bad of a day. So yeah, let's get on with today. We are done at the gym. That was a good workout. It's currently 11:36 a.m. My client's at 12, so I need to hurry up and get to the studio and get set up and get going. So I should stop talking and get on with it. All right, let's get on with it. Bye.
My life will never be the same, 'cause girl, you came and changed.
Let's get on with today. So we're in the studio, waiting for my second client now. Right, that is the day done. It's currently 7:30 and I am done at the studio, just tidying up now, ready to go home for dinner. And then I'm back here again tomorrow at 9 a.m. ready for another day ahead. All right, let's switch all the lights off. Good morning, it's 9 a.m. My first client should be here any minute now. It's Friday the 9th of January. Got another busy day ahead of me, but I do have a gap again to get myself to the gym. So I'm gonna first do my first few clients in the morning, then head to the gym, then come back and finish off the day. Alrighty, if you're new to this channel, I'm going to make a quick introduction about myself. My name is Gulam, I'm a barber, and I've got this private studio where I cut hair. I've been a barber for 5 years now, and I couldn't think of anything better career that I've chosen. I love barbering. It gives me not only financial freedom, but the ability to create meaningful relationships and have the ability to create unforgettable experiences for clients. Cutting hair is more than just picking up clippers and turning them on. It's about creating relationships with your clients. Creating a relationship with your clients will get you a lot more than doing the best fades in the world. Having a good customer service will get you more clients than having the best fades in the world. Work on that and you will be successful. this is my private studio, and I love it. I love what I do. I enjoy it. I've been doing it for 5 years now, but I've had this studio for 2.5 years. I started this studio in September 2023, and this month is my last month at this studio. So I'm thankful to all my clients and everyone that has sat in my chair and has allowed me to create wonderful memories that I will keep with me forever. Good morning. It is Friday today. Friday the what, you may ask? Friday the 30th. And today is the day I go and get the keys for my new studio. So let me just plug this in. Today's the day I get the keys to my new studio. So I'm making my way now over there to get the keys and sign the paperwork, and come along with me and I shall show you everything. Alrighty, let's get on with it. Right, I am here. It has taken me about just under 14 minutes to get here to the new location from my home. So let's go check it out. The previous location took me usually about 5 minutes, so it's about 10 minutes further away, but that's okay. But the parking is great because I've just parked right outside and I can see my studio from here. So let's go check it out. Let's get on with inboarding. Right, walk through the main gate, and where the fob normally goes there, right?
Fob normally goes there, yeah.
Okay. This is open from
It's open from 8:30.
half 8 to
8:30 till 5:30, yeah.
fine. All right, that's the last ever haircut done in this studio. Oh my God, I can't believe it. The day has been here and done. So I've just finished my last haircut in the studio, and I'm just gonna pack everything up now and ready to move tomorrow. It's been amazing. So I'll show you along the way. Move to the new studio, new place. This is the setup, and then you shall see the next place. Okay. Right, here I am in the new studio. So today I moved everything with help with a few of my clients. So let's just quickly show you around. So this is the main door. And then that's gonna be the chair. I'm waiting for the mirror to go back up here on this wall. And the trolley is going to be there, and yeah, this is it. Just the new studio. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for someone to come and help me put the mirror up on the wall, and then from there just get everything else sorted, unpacked and all. So yeah. Good morning. Today is the 2nd of Feb, and I'm literally just cleaning up my last few bits in the last studio, hoovering it all up, and yeah, this is probably going to be my last day here. Just doing a little tidy up, and then yeah, we're going to move the final bits and bobs into the new studio. So yeah, come along, show you what I can. Right, today is the first day I'm live in my new studio. This is it, it's set up. It was a challenge getting everything in here and organizing it all. I'm still not quite sure of the final look yet. I've got lights placed where I had in the previous studio, same as my section, same as all my clippers and everything. And yeah, the only thing I'm missing now is a product shelf, so which I have ordered, but I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it just yet, but I'm sure there will be a space. So this is pretty much the space you will see most of the time, and then behind you is basically the junk that I need to sort out and get some storage for. But yeah, this is it. I'm happy. I was nervous, but here I am. Really happy.
So move your body for me, baby, just like that, like that, like that, like that. How you gonna call me a bass and a beat like that, like that, like that, like that? Let me see the ways when you move on the bass like that, like that, like that, like that. Hey, baby, let me see you warm down like that, 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 like that. Like that, 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 like that. I will never call, you call back.
Good morning, it's Friday today. Friday the 6th of Feb. I moved into my new studio now. It'll be a week on Sunday. So Sunday was the move, and I've been working at my new studio since Monday. So Monday was my first haircut in the new studio, and it's already Friday. I can't believe it. Time moves so fast. But yeah, I'm really happy with the location. I'm really happy with the setup, and all my clients are coming to me, which is amazing. And yeah, this is the setup, as you can see behind me. Really nice, big, bright windows. Lots of nice lighting, and yeah, makes me do the job. It's more accessible for my clients. I've got parking. I've got step-free access. Yeah, so it's very accessible, and I'm glad I took the step to get this new studio. And I hope you guys see you soon.